Hello, this is Christian Seas with Integris Financial, and today I want to show you how you can easily quote your health insurance on Get Covered NJ without having to go through the actual application process, just so you can get an idea of what the cost may be. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Get Covered NJ. That's nj.gov/Get Covered NJ. And once you're here on the website, you want to click this Get Started drop-down menu. And from there, we're going to click Compare Plans and Cost. That's going to bring us to a new screen here where we can find the Shop and Compare tool. There's a couple different ways you can access it. You can see it's this big button here, Shop and Compare 2021 plans. This link here, the Shop and Compare tool, and this Get Covered NJ Shop and Compare to. So we're just going to go ahead and click that. And that's going to bring us to a screen where we have to provide some basic information. So I'm going to put in a zip code. I live here in Wayne, New Jersey. I'm going to put in a birthday for myself. That's not my actual birthday, in case you're wondering. Maybe I have a spouse that's also looking that lives in my household and needs coverage as well. Okay, and maybe I have a child here that needs coverage as well. Okay. Once I've added the household information, whether they're seeking coverage, if they're pregnant, I can just then go ahead and down here to the household income section, and here we can put an income, and I'm just going to put in $100,000. And what you want to do next, which is important, if you want to just peruse the quotes and see what the plans cost and all the different types of plans there are, you want to click this Check for Savings button. If you go ahead and click the Start Application button, then it's going to start the application. And that's going to require a lot more information, not this basic information, to go ahead and get the quote. So I'm going to go ahead here and click Check for Savings. Based on the $100,000 income, I don't qualify for tax credits, but I do have quality options. I'm just going to go back really quick and change my income. I'm also going to put at $30,000 for the household income. I'm going to check for savings, and then here we see a different output. So I do have a lower monthly premium based on estimated tax credits. There's an additional monthly premium savings from New Jersey, their health plan savings of about $4 a month, and there might be additional reduced costs within the plan. This is all based upon income and zip code. So here you have the option to include doctors if you would like. So if there's a specific doctor that you use, you can input their information here. The tool is actually pretty intuitive. Once you start clicking their name, you can, they'll pop up, and you can add up to five professionals. You can also search for a facility. So maybe you go to a certain dermatologist's office or certain doctor's practice. Then you want to search for that whole facility. You can add those to your selection criteria as well. Then you would click Next. Here there's some questions about your healthcare needs and asks you about how often you use the plan and what you use the plan for. So you go ahead and answer those questions. And then also here you can up to 5 prescriptions that you're currently taking, just to make sure that the plan does cover them as well. So we're going to go ahead and click now View Plans. And what we have here is a number of options on plans that are available on the marketplace. And so you have a lot of selection criteria here on the left. So you can sort your list or filter it down to what you're interested in. And just for illustrative purposes, I'm going to click the silver plan selection here. There's different metal tiers with the Get Covered NJ plans: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Bronze being the lesser of the metals. Those plans traditionally will cost more. They'll cost less, but they have a higher deductible. And as you work your way up the metal tier, the cost of the plans will increase, and things like copays and deductibles will generally decrease. But you can go ahead and find a plan that fits your needs. If you want to compare a couple of plans, I'm gonna just pick this this one Oscar plan here, and I'll pick this Horizon plan. Once you've identified those two, you can do up to three. Come up here, compare now, and you can compare each element of that plan, what copays will cost for each plan, what your premium is going to be, how copays work, how a prescription plan works, and there's a bunch of different criteria here. I will suggest that if you ever see the additional information um, tab there, I would definitely hover over that because it can give you additional information about that plan that might be important in your decision making. And then of course you can just click the add button, add it to your cart. And you'll fill out the application, which is going to require a bit more detail than this. If you need help, please reach out to me, Christian Sees, Integris Financial. That's chris.sees@integris-financial.com. Um, you always have the ability to find local assistance. Click a certified agent or broker near you, and then you can search by my last name. I hope that was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.